Welcome to the original Renaissance Fair. Huzzah! The Renaissance Pleasure Fair is located in Santa Fe Dam Recreational Area. This Ren Fair is 20 acres of pure fun. When you enter the gate of Ren Fair, it will take you to the Golden Age, which is 16th century in England, the time of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II.
God save the Queen! God save the Queen!
By the way, always remember that love is a gift and life is a journey. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And off we go. The first true Renaissance Fair, as we know today, was the Renaissance Pleasure Fair of Southern California. This fair attracts 250,000 visitors annually. Tickets are $38 online, but there's like a convenience fee of $2.77 and $1.50 more for order fee. I don't know, I just paid. Admission includes all the entertainment you can see in the fair. Food and some activities are not included. Also remember that food and drinks are cash only basis. There's ATM here, but you don't want to queue on that, so don't forget to bring your cash. For parking, Santa Fe Recreational Dam area charges $12 per car, and if you want a VIP parking, it's $25. Traffic is kind of horrendous going to this fair. I see a lot of people walking, and I don't know if that's a good idea. It's pretty hot today. Next time, I would probably use my e-bike going inside this recreation area. Costumes are encouraged, but not necessary. Actually, it's necessary. It's really fun looking at everyone wearing costumes here. I got this one from Amazon, link in the description. You can rent costumes in fair as well. I'm sorry, but pets are not allowed, no matter how cute they are. Also, wear the most comfortable shoes, because there's a lot of walking. Oh, and there are theme weekends where you can join the costume contest. I say going to this Ren Fair is super worth it. There's so many things to do. Shopping is a little bit expensive, like $100 for like an outfit or like $75 for an umbrella. I got earrings and flour here in this fair. Food is what you can expect from a fair. Anyways, what's a fair without turkey legs and beer? There's a lot of food here, you won't get hungry. I love the actors here because they are in their character, but they don't break character. You can actually interact with them.
I even have snacking cabbages. Very delicious.
Oh my god, you just didn't eat that. Did you? Loads of games here. It's super fun watching everyone play arrows and throw axes, and there's even this game that you throw like a ball and a lady would fall down. Not really my thing. I hope you enjoyed this video of the original Renaissance Fair and got some tips. I would be thrilled to read your comments, suggestions, questions, or personal stories in the comments below. See you next time, and off I go.